Good morning, welcome back to Jaylee's Tiny Adventures. Today we're going to do a little bit of different video. We got a little electrical work we got to do, so we're going to get it started. I already got some of it started. I did it the other day. I don't know if y'all can see much over here, but I already got my conduit in and I got it ran over there, and I'll take y'all over and show you what we're going to do. And we got to write a list of what we're going to need to finish up our project. All right, on that note, y'all hang. I'm just going to talk y'all through this. Right here on that leg, I'm gonna put a box. See that conduit right down there, that gray conduit? There's a gray conduit, where's it at? Right there. That conduit, I'm gonna put a box up there on that leg, and then I'm gonna run another conduit over to that leg. I'm gonna put an outlet down there so you can have a cooktop up there, electric cooktop. Then we're gonna go this way, we're gonna go up. Y'all see where that plug hanging right there? Right up there, about where the two bulbs are together, I'm gonna put a box, an outlet box. And then down on that post right there, maybe just a little below where that brace comes in, I'm gonna put a light switch to cut the lights on and stuff in here. All right, well, hang on. I'll let y'all watch me while I make my list. So I gotta do some counting stuff. All right, let's get after it. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4 waterproof boxes. I got receptacles that all be GFI protected. Got wire, and I got all the conduit I need. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is that? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 water tanks. Y'all got to think. I'm trying to think and getting lost. Got some of the creek phone by while I'm thinking on this commercial break. All right, y'all, we're on our way to Lowe's. We got to go pick up some electrical stuff so we can go back and finish that project and get it wrapped up. All right, y'all. I'll bring y'all back when we get to Lowe's. All right, y'all. Y'all see we made it. Let's get inside and get what we got to get. All right, y'all. We're here. I got to check my list. Got to find it. And I didn't bring it with me, but that's okay. I know what's on it. I need the 4 boxes. I need 6 connectors. I got the switch. I got the outlet cover. I need a blank. Need one of them, blank cover. I think that's all we need from here. Let's head on over to the conduit section. All right, y'all, we got what we needed from Lowe's. We on the way back. We're gonna go finish that project, y'all. See if I can get y'all some pretty view here. I don't know. Let me turn it around, see what I can do for you. Get a little bit of view coming back from Lowe's. Only reason we go to Lowe's, that's the closest big box store we got. It's like 10 miles from us. Everything else is over 30 or right at 30. Kind of busy, but it is the weekend. I forgot about that. Got guests checking out tomorrow, so we'll have one to clean. All right, y'all, I'm gonna drop off and I'll see y'all when we get back to the Destiny. All right, y'all, we back. We headed to the Destiny. I want y'all to check this out. Boom. There's one. There's another. There's another. It's going up. There's a bunch down there. Oh, these strawberries are coming on, y'all. They're growing good too. There's one. All right, let's go get back on the Destiny. All right, y'all, we're back. Fixing to get started here. Get us one of these. Gotta make some provision to this. I changed it a little bit. They got some hardware you can hang it where you don't have to do that, but I don't like the hardware. Y'all know the lighting ain't in here great, but I'm drilling me a hole right here. We're gonna take this box, and we're gonna mount it right there. I'm gonna put an outlet in it that I can control. One side of it with a switch to turn the lights on, and the other side will be on to turn the fan that's gonna be up there all the time. All right, I drilled a little pilot hole, now I gotta make it bigger. I wonder, y'all, if I could take a piece of that, could please. That's pretty tough. That's pretty tough, y'all. All right, y'all, I'm sorry. I got carried away. I got ahead of y'all. But we're working on something else. So let's get this going. I'm making my wire. I got an outlet we're gonna do right here. I'll get y'all around over y'all can see. I could probably do this without marking, but knowing my dumb self, I forget it. But plus, it's always nice to mark it for the next guy that comes behind you, just in case. You never know. Turn y'all around, y'all see what I'm doing. All I'm doing, guys, is just taking the wire together so it's easier to pull from my conduit. The reason it's taking me a little longer, this is some free wire I got from a friend of mine. He was going to throw it away, and I said, let me have it. I'll use it. Hey, I'll put it to use. Saved me a lot of money. If you ever went and bought any Romex, you know what I'm talking about. House wire is off. Or copper wire right now is off the chain, dude. I don't see how somebody can afford to build a house. Wire. Building ain't the bad part. Trying to get wired, the hard part. That's what's costing. And the way I'm doing is kind of like commercial work. And commercial stuff like this, you don't get to run Romex. You got to run EMT conduit with metal conduit, thin wall. And you got to pull this wire through it. I've done it before. I don't know what it is. Commercial works a lot different than residential. But don't have to do this. Like I said, I just do is keep all my wires together. Makes it pretty. Makes it pull easy. Because I do got some tight bends in this. I don't mind wiring, but it's a time-consuming process. It takes time. Well, at least I know how a good supper, y'all. Why, she done made meatloaf. She done made stuffed peppers. We're gonna be eating good in the neighborhood tonight. Be eating good in the neighborhood. We almost there, y'all. Then we'll get that fish tape pulled out, get it taped through it, and we'll see if we can't get it run through there. A couple more tapes. Then I got to make another one because I got to run from this outlet back over to there. But I'm gonna get all this done first. All this wire, all this in, all this wiring done. So all I got to do is hook it up, get it all hooked up right there, get this pulled over there, get it hooked up. make it up in this outlet, then be done. Be done, y'all. Done. D-O-N-E. All right, y'all. I'm gonna be out of y'all's view for a minute. Y'all might see me run around over here. I don't know if I can get it. If y'all see me over there or not. Look down there. Watch me do some wiring. I got to undo what I did. I got to signify what's what. I know I got a lot of extra here. It's like waste. It ain't waste. I'll use it somewhere. I always save wire. Wire always come in handy. Always need a piece of wire. Well, I'll quit knocking y'all around here in a minute. I know y'all can't see good. I'm marking them here down here, so if I ever come back to work on it, I don't remember, or somebody else ever comes to work on it, they don't have to know, they'll see. It's just smart. It's not creating a booby trap for the man behind me. We want those. Oh, let me find that. Put on need that. I'm gonna do all that by hand. I don't like using my drill on them. That ain't good. Down there on the ground, y'all. Let me go get it. Try to get y'all a better view, y'all. I just get working and I don't get thinking. Like I said, I just get working and I just quit thinking about it. Good thing about knowing how to do this, I help a buddy of mine. He got a business. If he gets snowed under, he'll call me. Hey, I need some help. I'll go help him out. All right, I did that, yo. And like always, we thank you for visiting J. Lee's Tiny Adventures. God bless.